Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nasser in trouble exercises. Answer the following questions. Number A. What kind of a man was Uncle Sami? Uncle Sami किस तरह के आदमी थे? Uncle Sami was a very jolly man. Number B. Where was Nasser going when he met the little boy? जब नासिर छोटे लड़के से मिला तो वो कहाँ जा रहा था? Nasser was going to the Shalimar Bagh when he met the little boy. Why was the little boy crying? छोटा लड़का क्यों रो रहा था? The little boy was crying because he fell and cut his leg on the pavement. छोटा लड़का इसलिए रो रहा था कि क्योंकि वो फुटपाथ पर नीचे गिर गया और उसकी टांग जख्मी हो गई. Number D. What did the dog do when the boy fell over? जब लड़का गिरा तो कुत्ते ने क्या किया? When the boy fell over, the dog broke its lead and ran off. जब लड़का नीचे गिरा तो उसने अपनी रस्सी तोड़ दी और वो भाग गया. Ran off mean भाग गया. Why did the crowd chase Nasser? लोगों का हजूम, लोगों की भीड़ नासिर का ताक़ब क्यों कर रही थी? The crowd was chasing Nasser because they thought him a thief. लोगों का हजूम नासिर का इसलिए पीछा कर रहा था क्योंकि वो उसे चोर समझ रहे थे. Next question is complete the following sentence with correct words. Number A. Nasser liked dash. Nasser liked Uncle Sami. Number B. Nasser caught hold of the lead. Number C. Nasser's uncle was a jolly man. Number D. Nasser was frightened and started to run. Next question is rearrange the words in a correct sentence or in the correct order. Number A. The correct sentences are these. Number A. 3 mice lived in a broken box. 3 चूहे एक टूटे हुए डिब्बे में रहते थे या रह रहे थे. My box was under the shelf. मेरा डिब्बा शेल्फ के नीचे है. Sometimes the mice made a noise. Sometimes the mice made a big noise. I told them to go away. They said that it was a nice box. Learning about language. Adjectives. Adjective. D is silent over here, so we will pronounce it adjectives. Describing words are called adjectives. Describing words tell us about nouns. Describing words mean that describes the noun. जो हमें नाउन के बारे में बताता है कि नाउन कोई भी नाउन है कि वो किस तरह का है, उसकी खसूसियात या उसकी सिफ़ात बताई जाती हैं. So describing words mean सिफ़ात. For examples, a stormy day. Day is a noun over here and they is talking about that how is the day. The day is stormy, a stormy day. So this word stormy, it's a adjective and it describes the noun day. So the day is stormy. In next example, a bright face. Face is a noun and bright is adjective. It describes the noun face. An awful sound. Sound is a noun over here. And how is the sound? An awful. एक दर्द भरी आवाज़. So awful is adjective. Add adjectives to the following nouns. Write them in your notebooks. In number A dash house. We can write a big house, a small house, a nice house. Number B, a dash palace, a fine palace, a beautiful palace. Number C, a car, a red spot car, a red car. These are adjectives. These are describing words. A dash dog, a barking dog, or a black dog. Barking means भौंकता हुआ. Barking is the sound of dog. A bright torch, a white torch. We also can write here color of torch. A white torch, a black torch, a red torch. A maths book. If there are two adjectives next to each other, we usually put a comma after the first one. यहाँ ये बताया जा रहा है कि अगर एक ही सेंटेंस में दो एडजेक्टिव्स आ जाते हैं तो हम उनके सेंटर में कॉमा ऐड करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही वॉज अ टॉल स्ट्रॉन्ग मैन. वो एक लंबा और मजबूत आदमी है. सो टॉल इज आल्सो एडजेक्टिव एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग इज आल्सो एडजेक्टिव. देयर आर two characteristics of the man. One is tall and the second is strong. So we will add comma over here, comma in between the two adjectives. He add commas to the following. The old grey tree was dying. Old is also the characteristic adjective and the grey is also the characteristic. Old mean बड़ा बूढ़ा या पुराना दरख्त हो गया था जो कि ख़त्म हो रहा था, तबाह हो रहा था. So add comma in between the adjectives. They live in a large modern house. They live in a large and modern house. So we will add comma over here. He drove a fast red sports car. So he drove a fast red sports car. The room was dirty, dark and empty. We will add comma here. The room was dirty, dark and empty. These three are also adjectives. Room was dirty, dark and empty. Room dirty था, dark था और empty था, खाली था. Listening and speaking skills. Describe some of your favorite toys or clothes to your friends. You can describe what you like in your doll and what she do for you and what you do with your doll. You play with your doll, and you also can describe about bat and ball, about horse, about clothes, about all of your favorite things. Describe them to your friends. Composition. Talk about the pictures below. Write your own story. There is a picture. There are three pictures over here, and you have to imagine. You are going to tell a story to your friends. So let's know the story. A boy is walking on the pavement, and there he found an umbrella. There he found an umbrella on the pavement. He picked up the umbrella, and he don't know whose umbrella is this. So he went to the police stations and gave umbrella to the policeman. When he came back on the pavement, and when he came back to continue his walk, so he find an old man who is inquiring about an umbrella. So the boy is surprised over here, and he is telling to the old man that I got that umbrella and I gave it to the policeman. So this is the story. The umbrella. So the umbrella that boy found on the pavement, this umbrella doesn't belong to the boy. So, and he also don't know the owner of the umbrella. So that's why he gave it to the policeman.